Hi everyone, today's video is about sales tax hierarchies in GST setup. Go to the tax module. Under sales tax, there is a option sales tax hierarchies. In the latest version, it shows only tax hierarchies, but it is old version 17. So that's the reason it's showing as sales tax hierarchies. So click sales tax hierarchies. So already created here three sales tax hierarchies. I am creating the new one. Click new. In the name, you can give any kind of name here. Suppose my legal entity is located in Telangana state, so I'm giving in Telangana. So Telangana sales tax hierarchies. In the structure field, when we have to select a GT hierarchy. Just select GT hierarchy, then click OK. Here is Telangana sales tax hierarchy is created here. Just scroll left. Telangana sales tax hierarchy created, and use as sales tax hierarchy should be enabled. And GT hierarchy and the CGST and GST, SGST and IGST. So already enabled here. There is no issue in tax hierarchies. Here is showing a create date and time on today's date. Okay. Then we have to synchronize. Click on synchronize. Sales tax hierarchy is synchronized successfully. Then we have to activate this hierarchy. So now activate is click activate. So hierarchy is activated. We got the tick mark also. Then click view. Here is hierarchy is enabled for GST and also VAT custom duties. So if you want to update here, you can again click synchronize on the top left. Then click set of rules sales tax hierarchies. Here is we have to set up again set of rules. Suppose this company located in Telangana state, so I'm giving a state name here. The click new. So we can create three different kind of names here like IGST, CGST, SGST, or else you can give the single hierarchy and we have to select for three GST number for IGST, CGST and SGST. But I'm creating the new three different kinds here. One is for IGST and one more is CGST Telangana and one more is SGST Telangana. IGST setup we can utilize for all IGS against IGST liability, against CGST liability, against SGST liability. So the same setup we have to assign here. In the setup we have to know the hierarchy rules. Here is shows the recoverable and bottom is payables. So first I am assigning here SGST. So SGST recoverable in the sense input credit. Just select SGST and select GST number here. Select GST number here. I have the single branch. That's the reason I'm selecting only single GST number. We have the three different kind of branches. We have to select the three GST number, but I have the only one branch in India, so that's the reason I selected single GST. If I select here GST number, it shows the tax hierarchies. Then and come to the accounts payable. So SGST setup you can utilize against SGST liability. So we have to select the SGST as well as SGST. So go to the SGST and select the GST number. Then come to the IGST. Then select the IGST GST number. Then check in the selected notes. In the selected notes, display the two GST numbers. For one is SGST and IGST. So SGST setup you can utilize against SGST liability and IGST liability. Then CGST. In the same way, in recoverable. So under CGST, we have to select the GST number, and it shows the GST number and selected notes. Then come to the payable. So CGST we can utilize against CGST liability as well as IGST. Then go to the IGST and select the GST number, and it shows the both CGST and IGST GST numbers in selected nodes. Then final one is IGST. So IGST setup can utilize for three IGST as well as CGST, IGST. Just select the IGST GST number and come to accounts payable. So IGST input credit we can utilize for IGST, CGST, IGST. So we have to select three GST numbers here. Three GST in the sense three different kind of categories: IGST, CGST, and SGST. So I selected one is SGST, then IGST, then CGST. In selected nodes, three GST numbers will display here. So setup rules is completed. Then save it. So setup rules completed. Then close the screen. Just go back. Again click go back. Then go to the again tax module. Under sales tax there is an option maintain hierarchies. Maintain hierarchy profiles. The click edit already created here two, so I'm creating a third one. So we need to select the effective date, in the sense financial year starting date. I selected April 1st 23. Then I selected a Telangana sales tax hierarchies, which is just created hierarchy setup. So we have to select here, then click OK. So it's asking a override because already created with the same period. Click yes. Here is version 1 is updated. Then we have to activate. Click activate. So do you want to continue? Yes. Click yes. So selected set of hierarchy profile was successfully activated. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching.